Good morning, students. Yesterday we studied in matter our surrounding. What is matter and what are the characteristics of matter and system and surrounding. Today we are going in further states of matter. You know, in our nature, in our earth, generally three states of matter are found: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. But in universe, actually 5 states are found. One is plasma state, other one Bose-Einstein condensate. That we will study. These two states we will study after. First we study solid. So you know, this notebook is a solid, this chalk piece also a solid, and these are filter papers are also solid, we can say. This one, China dish, solid state. This one, glass rod, solid state. So what indicates these shapes? These shapes have a definite shape, like this square, this one rectangular, this one cylindrical, this also cylindrical. Means solids are that substance, they have definite shape, definite volume and definite boundaries. In solid have these 3 different characteristics. Solids are that substance, they have definite shape like cylindrical, square, rectangular and again cylindrical, this like. So they have a definite shape and definite volume and a fixed boundary. But why they have a such type shape? Because the matter have in yesterday's chapter we study the characteristics of matter. Means matter is made by parts, have space between particles. Particles are continuously moving and there are force of attraction. So in solid state, the particles are very near to each other. Very near, like this diagram. We are showing solids because these are made by particles and the particles are very near to each other. They have a definite shape and definite volume. And these particles are, due to near very strong force of attraction, like this tripod stand. This one is a tripod stand. If you want to break, then this is not happen. Why? Because they have very strong force. It's made by iron, but we can break this chalk piece. Why? There are force. This also solid, but we can break. So its force of attraction also depends nature of the particles. Another one, this is, you can say solid also, this thermocol, and this one also solid. Other property we can say, when we apply pressure, then what happen? Thermocol can easily press. When we apply pressure, then thermocol is pressed. But when we apply pressure on this notebook, then this is not compressed. Why? Because molecules are very near to each other. In this thermocol, there is a space between particles. When we apply pressure, then it shrunk, means they are pressed. But when we remove the pressure, they again comes on original shape. Similar way, rubber also made by particles, and if you stretch, then this expansion, and when we remove out the pressure, then the rubber comes in original shape. Another solids we earlier studied, that is copper sulfate. You know, copper sulfate particles are blue color. Copper sulfates are blue color. And other salts, you know, salt, that is common salt, sodium chloride. This sodium chloride have white crystal. This one sodium chloride, white crystal. What happens if you mix these 2 salts? And we see the boundaries. When we mix these 2 salts in this China dish, you will observe these particles are not mixed to each other on their own. When we put these 2 salts, they are not mixed on their own. Means this one are blue salts and this one is white. Means they do not mix on their own. Yesterday we studied what is diffusion. Diffusion is a process intermixing of particle on their own without any internal effect, because the movement of particle from higher concentration to lower. But in this solid state, what happen? We have easily can observe the blue salts and white salts do not mix on their own without mixing. So this is known as diffusion. Diffusion is a process intermixing of particles in each other. But when we mix, then they also remaining separate. This indicates solid state have definite shape, definite volume, fixed volume, and a distinct boundaries. For example, this like that is a fixed boundary, and when we apply pressure, then this pressure, these compound molecules are not compressed. Why? Because they have very near to each other. The particles are very near to each other. So there is space between particles is very, very less, so they are not compressed. But in this happen thermocol, this is also solid state. This is also made by particles. But when we apply pressure, so this is slightly pressed. Why? Because there is some more space between the particles. So thermocol is slightly compressed, iron stand is not compressed, and book is very, very less compressed. So this is solid state. Another shape we will study liquid state. So you know liquids, water, oil, ghee, and other chemical acid, base, you know that are liquid state. The liquid, we will take some liquids. We take water, approximate this. We take 200 ml water. This 200 ml water in this beaker when we fill, so there is a definite volume but not definite shape, because shape cannot remaining constant. If you mix these water in this conical flask, then it's convert into conical flask shape, like conical flask shape. But volume remaining same. Volume is not changed, its shape change. So this shape, beaker have different shape, conical flask have different shape. If you mix this water in a test tube, then it's changed into like test tube like shape. So, but volume is not changed. So liquids are that substance, they have definite volume, but no fixed shape. Yeah, we can say fixed volume, but no fixed shape. It's changed according to container. If you put in conical flask, then conical flask like. If you placed in beaker, then beaker like. If you put in plate, then plate shape. If you put in bucket, then bucket like shape. So in liquid, there is no definite shape, but have a definite volume. And slightly particles, the liquid have particle are slightly more gap, but they are also not easily compressed. When we apply pressure, then slightly less compressed. So we can see in liquid state, particle slightly more gap, and comparison than solid state, but less than gaseous state. And they have a definite shape, but they have no definite shape, but definite volume. Its change, shape change according to the container. Other one, third state of matter is known as gaseous state. In gaseous state, you can see balloon. These are balloon. They fill gas in this. We can showing you, these are balloons, and they have different gas. We can fill in this more gas or less gas, and we can easily apply pressure in this. When we apply pressure, then what happen? They can easily compress. What happen? Because the molecules are, the gas easily compress like this, because the boundary are flexible, so there is this side. If you apply high pressure, then this balloon may be burst or broken. When we apply pressure, then it is like this. So in gaseous molecule easily can compress. Why? Because there is a large space between particles, and they have in gas neither definite shape no definite volume. If you fill this gas, then like this. If you fill that gas in cycle tube, then cycle tube, if you fill that same gas in a volleyball, then the volleyball like. So gas have neither definite shape, no definite volume. You can fill less gas or more gas. In the similar, in this balloon we can apply a few more gas, then this slightly expansion, but we can fill less gas also. So we take a activity to explain solid, liquid, gas and their number of particles, their compressibility, rigidity. Solids are rigid. They are not compressed, but gas are highly compressible. Liquids have intermediate because there is particles have comparative more space than solid, but less than gas, so they are not compressible and very small particles. So we take a activity. Next, we will study the effect of pressure on different states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. We take such type syringe, and this syringe are vacant, and in one syringe we fill some chalk piece. You can observing these are filled chalk piece, and I can fill some more chalk piece in this. One more piece I will put, and then again we apply the piston. So this is known as piston. When I apply pressure, so this is not compressed. This is not compressed. Why it is not compressed? Because the particles in solid states are very near to each other and there is less space between particles, so they are not compressed. And when we apply pressure in this like thermocol like substance, because this also depend on the matter to matter, like this one, they are slightly pressed because they are like this one, thermocol also this, but the steel and other component are not compressed. Molecules, this blackboard is not compressed. Why? This is also solid and particles are very near, like iron stand, iron rod, this duster piece. This duster we can't compress because this is made by wood and the particles are very near and very strong force of attraction. So this force of attraction also depend matter to matter and the substance. This chalk piece I can't compress. So solid substance known as rigid. And other ones are liquid. Liquid substance, how can we see? If we take this in this beaker, liquid have definite volume but do not definite shape. Its shape change into according to container. So I can take liquid, how can we suck? Then when we move piston, then this water is filled. If we press by a finger and we apply pressure, then this is not compressed. If you apply finger, then it is not compressed because water is not removed out. But if I remove the finger, then easily compress. The reason behind this, because this one water is filled, so it is not compressed, but if I apply the pressure, this is not compressed. So liquids are also not compressed. Yeah, very, very less compressed. They are not compressed. This is also not compressed. But when I remove the finger, then it is easily compressed. So like this you know, in our holy festivals, like this pichkari, we can also fill in the water easily. So we are showing the pressure. So this one, but if you stop this, if I stop, then this is very difficult to pressure. So open, but it can easily compress. So liquid also not compressible. But gas, if I remove the piston, So this is a vacant space. In this vacant space, gas is filled. There is no water. If I apply the finger and try to put, then I have, this is compressed. When I remove then again come backside. This automatic come backside. Why? Due to the gaseous pressure, this one. Because there is filled gas, and when I remove this, then this piston is come out. Because there are present gaseous particle, and outside I apply a pressure, so this is not removed. If I move, then this easily can, but I apply at first, this area have filled the gas particle, and if I tightly stopped, so it can't compress, but it compress. This is compressed, but if I remove this force, they easily come outside. So this indicates there are force of attractions also. Molecules have force of attraction. So gases are easily compressed. In gaseous, molecule have large space between particle, and these are compressible. So gas are compressible. The reason behind, the particles have large space and less force of attraction between. Solid have very strong force of attraction, and the particles are near, and they have very less space of the particle, so they are not compressed, so they are rigid, they are compressible. Liquid are intermediate between solid and gas, slightly more space between particles than solid and less than gas. So they are not compressible, but they have definite volume, but do not definite shape. They change according to their container, because the force of attraction are weaker. If force of attraction is strong, like this one, in this notebook have force of attraction are strong, so this remaining in a definite shape. But in liquid, the force of attraction are weaker, so they change according to container. If I placed in this conical flask, then they change into conical flask. Why? Because the force of attraction are weaker, so they cannot maintain their shape. And gas, they are very weaker force of attraction. Yeah, you can see very, very less force of attraction. And gas is want to fill in whole available volume. So there is no place, every hair there is gas. Like this, if in this side there is gas, if I apply pressure, then it compress, but when I remove, then the piston comes out. This indicates there is gaseous particles, and there are very less force of attraction. Particles are very far away. Like in our kitchens, we use LPG gas. That is LPG. That LPG, when we take any cylinder, that is, in a LPG cylinder, in our household we use this LPG cylinder. This LPG cylinder have a gas filled, but this appears like a water. There is a water is filled. So this gas is known as liquefied petroleum gas. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. So this liquefied petroleum gas, what is the composition? We will study in the 10th class. In this gas I have butane 80% and ethane and propane are 20%. So this gas is highly flammable and a good fuel, it creates less pollution. In these days every house have a LPG gas cylinder, and this is good fuel, less pollution. It's a combination. In this cylinder where the gas is pushed very high pressure, so it appears like a liquid, like a water. LPG gas composition is butane 80%, ethane and propane 20%. Other gas, that are also a CNG gas. CNG means compressed natural gas. CNG means compressed natural gas, that also used in vehicles in Delhi in these days. That also create less pollution. And this gas is a methane, because natural gas is methane, and it is filled on that containers. Okay, and they are also converted by applying pressure, it change into liquid state. When we apply pressure, then large volume of the gas condense in one cylinder, and that we can use for more times. So these are main characteristics: solid, liquid, gas. Solids are rigid, gas are compressible and solid and liquid have very less compress because there are strong force of attraction, and liquid gas have very less force of attraction. Other one is rate of diffusion. Rate of diffusion. Diffusion means intermixing of substance on their own to each other. Like if you open the cylinder of LPG and another cylinder CNG, when you mix, that is a diffusion. So gaseous have very high rate of diffusion. The molecules are evaporate. When we open any ammonia bottle, then ammonia fumes. Like this, we have a ammonia bottle, and if I open this, then this convert into gaseous state. Its rate of diffusion in gaseous state is high because force of attraction between particles are very less. For example, the gas are filled in this balloon, the gaseous molecules are strike on the walls, and when we can apply pressure, so it's spread. Because the boundary are such type, we can apply pressure and gas easily can compress like this, but if I place it's closed, then this tightly. When I remove the pressure, then piston is come outside. So gaseous have, these gaseous particles are strike between the boundary of the wall and they create pressure. That known as vapor pressure. We will study in after next chapter. And this rate of diffusion in solid and liquid comparatively lower. So students, today we study the comparative study of solid, liquid and gas and their compressibility, rigidity, force of attraction. And our tomorrow topic is difference, how can change a matter one state to other state, what are the different methods, and in your textbook given are some inside in text questions. You read that questions thoroughly and write in your notebook. If any query you can ask me, write and share and subscribe, and if you have any query then you can write on comment box. Thank you.